Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna hop into today's video. Today's video is in partnership with UNice. You guys already know UNice. I'm pretty sure you've heard of UNice. Today they sent me a 18-inch curly VPART wig. Yes, y'all heard it right. A VPART. A VPART is like a upgraded U-part, you guys. You use your natural hair, so you can do a side bang, you can do a middle part, you can do whatever part you want. And the best thing about this wig, you guys, you don't need no lace, no glue, like nothing. It's literally your natural hair. So if you guys are interested in watching me style my natural hair with this new VPART wig, then keep on watching. I will leave all the information down below in the description bar, and I don't want to bore you guys by talking so much, so I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
I'm in the PBs, all chrome Z3s, decked out TVs, CDs with crazy bass, keep my lady lace. Don't be fooled by the baby face, I hope you're not, cause your thoughts got me hot. Only one plan, that's the rise to the top. I told you before when I first pursued, I want to interlude in the nude.
You know I love the way you still love, sip my tequila, work from the dealer, full lift chinchilla, heat up the clutch, 750 deluxe. We speed down the hutch, breaking trees in the Dutch. I'm not the one you sleep with, to eat quick, want a cheap chick, better go down and freak me. You got to hit me off, buy this girl gifts of course, so I've been sick in my six with my Christian accord.
I know you see me on the video,
True.
I know you heard me on the radio,
True.
but you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention. He's a slut, he's a hoe, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you. I know you see me on the video,
True.
I know you heard me on the radio, but you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention. He's a slut, he's a hoe, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you. I know you see me on the video,
True.
I know you heard me on the radio,
True.
but you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention. He's a slut, he's a hoe, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you. I know you see me on the video,
True.
I know you heard me on the radio,
True.
but you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention. He's a slut, he's a hoe, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to
T-breeze. I'm in the PBs, all chrome Z3s, decked out TVs, CDs with crazy bass. Keep my lady lace. Don't be fooled by the baby face. I hope you're not, cause your thoughts got me hot. Only one plan, that's the rise to the top. I told you before when I first pursued, I want to interlude in the nude.
You know I love the way you still love. Sip my tequila, work from the dealer, full lift chinchilla. Heat up the clutch, 750 deluxe. And we speed down the hutch, breaking trees in the Dutch. I'm not the one you sleep with, to eat quick. Want a cheap chick? Better go down and freak me. You got to hit me off. Buy this girl gifts, of course. So I be sick in my six with my Christian accord.
I know you see me on the video.
True.
I know you heard me on the radio.
True.
But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention. He's a slut, he's a hoe, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you. I know you see me on the video. I know you heard me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention. He's a slut, he's a hoe, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you. I know you see me on the video. I know you heard me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention. He's a slut, he's a hoe, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you. I know you see me on the video. I know you heard me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention. He's a slut, he's a hoe.